We're at Signor Vineyards here in Fort Davis in the Davis Mountains, just 20 miles outside of Marfa, about 30 minutes from Alpine in the Trans-Pecos region. We've certainly got a lot to learn out here. We're a new producer in an area that people have been making wine for 50 years. So we talk to our neighbors, we're trying to learn, but we're also trying to push some of the boundaries, try some experiments of our own. This is a new frontier for Signor Vineyards. This is the start of something new. It won't grow overnight. It's going to take years to even get our first harvest off of this site. But we're just glad to be partners in the region and have a reason to be contributing to the Davis Mountains and exploring with our neighbors as we work towards viticulture in an area that is really just one of the best parts of Texas to be in.
This is a volcanic soil. You can feel the weather is dry. We don't have that amount of fungus here in this area. You got a lot of different minerals that you can find in the soil. This soil is very fertile. So if you just put water in this soil, I believe you can grow everything you want. I mean, these are the best conditions you can find in Texas. It is a tough place to work. You know, it's not easy to come here. It's not easy to find materials to work with it. But we got good soil. We got good weather. You know, it's the only place in Texas where we think that we can grow organic.
What's amazing about this area is you just connect with the land. You can't ignore the land. It's everything that's out here. You're alone and you're on the landscape, and we're making something in an area that's uncomfortable to be in. It's constant wind, it's extreme weather. There's not a lot of restaurants. You know, you've got to really choose to be out here, and but it's also very rewarding because you feel like you're creating something meaningful in a challenging place and just trying something at the edge of the world.